Could there be another Earth somewhere out in the depths of space? A planet with vast oceans, towering mountains, and perhaps even civilizations looking back at us. Within the past few years, NASA's Kepler Space Telescope has discovered something incredible. Meet Kepler-452b. It is the most Earth-like exoplanet ever found. And if true, it begs the question, would it really look like Earth, or something different? Could there be liquid water on its surface? Could there be life? Or even intelligent life? And if so, would that life look similar to what we know or very different? Forget dreaming. Telescopes have turned our cosmic curiosity into reality. So buckle up and hang on, because in this video we're diving deep into the secrets of Kepler-452b. Together, let's imagine what life might look like on a planet that could be Earth's twin. To understand what makes a planet similar to Earth, we need to look at several key factors that make our planet habitable. First, size is crucial, and Earth is just the right size to have a stable atmosphere and a gravitational pull that's comfortable for life as we know it. If a planet is too small, like Mars, it might not be able to hold onto its atmosphere, leading to a cold, barren surface. If it's too large, like Jupiter, it could become a gas giant with no solid surface for life to take hold. Second, the planet's distance from its star is vital. It needs to be in the habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot and not too cold for liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, so this is a big deal. Too close to the star and the water would boil away. Too far and it would freeze. Third, the type of star the planet orbits is important. Stars like our Sun, which are known as G-type main sequence stars, are stable and long-lived, providing a consistent source of energy for billions of years. This stability gives life a chance to evolve and thrive. Stars that are too small, like red dwarfs, might be too cool or too active with frequent flares that could strip away a planet's atmosphere. Stars that are too large burn out quickly, not giving life enough time to develop. Finally, the planet's composition and atmosphere play a significant role. A rocky planet with a protective atmosphere can shield life from harmful radiation and maintain a stable climate. The presence of a magnetic field, generated by a liquid metal core, can also protect the planet from solar wind and cosmic rays. With these criteria in mind, let's meet the exoplanet that checks all these boxes. Discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, Kepler-452b is often hailed as Earth's cousin. It's located about 1,400 light-years away, in the constellation Cygnus, a part of the sky that's rich with stars and potential for discovery. The Kepler telescope found this planet by observing the tiny dip in brightness as it passed in front of its star, an approach known as the transit method. So what makes Kepler-452b so special? First, its size. Kepler-452b has a diameter about 1.6 times that of Earth, making it a super-Earth. While it's larger than our planet, scientists believe it could still be rocky, like Earth, rather than gaseous. This size suggests that it might have a similar composition and structure to our own planet. Second, its orbit. Kepler-452b takes approximately 385 days to complete one orbit around its star. This is remarkably similar to Earth's 365-day year, meaning that it may experience seasons and a day-night cycle that could be comparable to ours. This orbital period also indicates that it receives about the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, which is crucial for maintaining liquid water. Speaking of its star, Kepler-452b orbits a G-type star, just like our Sun. This star is only slightly larger and hotter than ours, with a difference in surface temperature of only 1% compared to our Sun. This makes it a near-perfect match, providing a stable and long-lasting source of energy. And finally, its location in the habitable zone. Kepler-452b sits comfortably in the region where liquid water could exist on its surface. In fact, scientists estimate that it has a 50% chance of being rocky and could potentially have oceans, continents, and maybe even life. The planet's equilibrium temperature is estimated to be around 265 Kelvin, which is similar to Earth's 255 Kelvin, suggesting that with the right atmosphere, it could have a comfortable climate. While we can't yet observe its atmosphere or surface directly, future telescopes might allow us to detect signs of water vapor, oxygen, or other biosignatures that could indicate the presence of life. Let's take a moment to imagine what it might be like to visit Kepler-452b. As you step out of your spacecraft, you feel the gravity pulling you down, slightly more than on Earth, but it's still manageable. The air is breathable thanks to an atmosphere similar to ours, and the temperature is comfortable, perhaps a bit warmer than a summer day on Earth. Looking up, you see a sky that's a deep blue, with clouds drifting lazily across it. The sun looks almost identical to our own, casting a warm golden light over the landscape. In the distance, you see vast oceans that shimmer in the sunlight. But then something catches your eye. You see odd-looking shapes rising out of the ocean. And then there's something else. You notice there is a strange mass near the shoreline, and probably best to just leave that one alone. In the other direction, there are forests with trees that have leaves that look somewhat similar to those on Earth. As you walk, you notice small creatures scurrying through the underbrush, their forms unlike anything you've seen before. There are creatures similar to birds with strange-looking eyes and what you could call feathers. You notice there are small crab-like animals looking for food. At least that's what it looks like they're doing. And in the water, you catch glimpses of aquatic life that could be fish. Very strange-looking fish. Or something entirely different. Perhaps you might actually encounter intelligent life. But would it be friendly? And if you did come across intelligent life, would you even recognize it? Either way, there could be a civilization here with cities and technology that rival our own. Or perhaps life on Kepler-452b is still in its early stages, with simple organisms just beginning to evolve. Of course, this is all speculation. We don't know if the planet has life, but the possibility is tantalizing. It's a reminder that our universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and that somewhere out there might be another planet just like ours. The discovery of Kepler-452b is just the beginning of our quest to find Earth-like planets. With advancements in technology and new space missions on the horizon, we're poised to make even more groundbreaking discoveries. One of the most anticipated missions is the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, and it is designed to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in unprecedented detail. By analyzing the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere during a transit, scientists can determine its composition and look for signs of life, such as oxygen, methane, or water vapor. Another exciting project is the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, which is currently surveying the sky for exoplanets around bright nearby stars. TESS has already discovered thousands of exoplanet candidates, and follow-up observations will help us characterize these worlds. Looking further ahead, proposed missions like the Large UV Optical IR Surveyor could revolutionize our understanding of exoplanets. It would be capable of directly imaging Earth-like planets around Sun-like stars, allowing us to see their surfaces and potentially detect signs of civilization, such as city lights or industrial pollution. Additionally, advancements in ground-based telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope in Chile will provide even more powerful tools for studying exoplanets. Who knows what we'll discover in the coming years? Perhaps we'll find not just one, but many planets that are eerily similar to our own, each with its own unique story to tell. As we wrap up our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The discovery of Kepler-452b and other Earth-like exoplanets has opened our eyes to the incredible diversity and potential of the universe. These distant worlds remind us that Earth is not alone in the vast expanse of space, and that there may be countless other planets out there, each with the potential to harbor life, no matter how strange. But our search is far from over. With each new discovery, we inch closer to answering the timeless question: are we alone in the universe? The possibility of finding another Earth-like planet teeming with life is both thrilling and humbling. So what do you think? Could there be life on Kepler-452b? Or perhaps on another exoplanet we haven't discovered yet? If you enjoyed this exploration of the most Earth-like exoplanet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic adventures. Together, let's keep looking up and dreaming of the possibilities that lie beyond planet Earth.